We guide you through how to loop YouTube videos on mobile so a video plays over and over on both iPhone and Android. First thing you need to do is open the YouTube app and play the video you want to loop. Next, tap the video once to bring up the controls. Then, tap the settings icon or the three dots menu in the corner. From the options, select loop video and turn it on. Once enabled, the video will automatically restart every time it ends. If you don't see the loop option, another method is to add the video to a playlist. Then, open the playlist and turn on the loop icon. This works on both iOS and Android and is especially useful for music, tutorials, or background videos you want to repeat without touching your phone.